Viewers, the Bharatiya Janata Party has now been leading a protest against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over these remarks of hers. Locket Chatterjee has slammed Mamata Banerjee, saying that Mamata has no right to govern the state. Let me go across to my colleague Ridhita, who has been tracking the developments in this entire case and, of course, the political war of words that has now erupted between the TMC and BJP. Ridhita, get us more from what the BJP is saying. These are bizarre remarks coming from the Chief Minister herself, a woman herself, somebody who is, there to ensure law and order and that women's safety should be the top priority, asking girls not to go out at night. It couldn't get bizarre than this.
Absolutely. As you see that we are already here at the spot where this entire incident, horrific incident took place. And just few minutes back, BJP had been protesting near this emergency building where you can see the doors have been kept locked as Locket Chatterjee and the other members of BJP was denied to get inside this premises and meet the victim. So you can get to understand that once there is a safeguarding on not letting the party members meet the victim and have a word with her. At one side, when there is a safeguarding in this circumstances like this, there is also Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee who are making such bizarre comments where it did not happen for once, but earlier we had seen with the Park Street incident where she bewaited the girls to wear a certain kind of dresses, then the RG Kaur and then South Calcutta, and now here at Durgapur where we are currently standing at. To understand that this girl had actually...
We're getting in a reaction from Locket Chatterjee of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Take a listen, viewers.
क्या कितना लोग देश में बोलिए, देश के बाहर दूसरा देश में बोलिए, पश्चिम बंगाल में लाखों लाखों लोग रास्ते के सामने रात में पूरा उतर गए थे, पूरा रात जगे थे. कुछ हुआ था? कुछ नहीं हुआ था. सब जो एविडेंस था सब खराब कर दिया था. उसके बाद सीबीआई के हाथ में दिया था. सीबीआई क्या करेंगे विदाउट एविडेंस? तो यहीं पर भी विचार नहीं हुआ, तो यहीं पर भी ऐसा ही होगा हालत. ये लोगों को भेज देंगे. ये लोग जो ओडिशा में ये पिताजी उसको लेके चले जाएंगे क्योंकि पश्चिम बंगाल सुरक्षित नहीं है. ये लोग अपना भुवनेश्वर में लेके चले जाएंगे और क्या करेंगे? सब लोगों को छोड़ देंगे 10 दिन बाद. इसका लोगों के साथ तो वोट कराना है ना इन लोगों को. अभी तो लेडी को लेके तो यहाँ पे पश्चिम बंगाल में लेडी को लक्ष्मी भंडार दे रहे हैं, लक्ष्मी कन्याश्री दे रहे हैं. बस मुंह तो बंद है. अभी कुछ मत विचार लो, कुछ विचार नहीं होगा. दोषी लोग हैं उनको अभी वोट कराने में लगाएंगे. ये जो लेडी का ये डॉक्टर बेटी का जो जैसा हालत हुआ है, आप देखिए उनका पिताजी के साथ ये बात नहीं किया है क्योंकि दरकार ही नहीं है ना. उसका दरकार किसको है? जो लोग अभी दोषी लोग हैं उससे वोट कराएंगे, उसका परिवार के साथ बात करेंगे कि उसको ठीक ठाक से रखे है जेल में, अच्छे एसी रूम में अच्छे खाना देकर रखे है. 10 दिन 15 दिन बाद उसको लगता है कि ये लोग को छोड़ देंगे. ऐसे ही हालत पश्चिम बंगाल का हो गया.
ये भी कहा है कि यूपी, मणिपुर, बिहार, उड़ीसा वहाँ पे भी ऐसी घटना होती है. मुझे लगता है कि द गवर्नमेंट मस्ट टेक स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन देयर. मुझे एक बात समझ में नहीं आती है, जब पश्चिम बंगाल में घटना घटती है तो बार बार वो यूपी में चले जाते हैं, राजस्थान में चले जाते हैं, मध्य प्रदेश में चले जाते हैं. क्यों? और वो तो देश का प्रधानमंत्री नहीं है. देश का प्रधानमंत्री सोचेंगे क्योंकि वो पूरा देश को देखता है. ये तो पश्चिम बंगाल का मुख्यमंत्री है. पहले तो खुद का मिरर में देखो, आईने में तो पहले खुद को देखो, खुद का विचार दो, जनता के सामने विचार आए, उसके बाद दूसरा राज्यों को लेके बात करें. तो उत्तर प्रदेश का जो जोगी जी है वो तो एनकाउंटर करते हैं. उसका हिम्मत है कि एक एनकाउंटर करके दिखाए हो? ये 3 लोगों का एनकाउंटर करके दिखाए हो कि उसका हिम्मत है? उसका हिम्मत ही नहीं है क्योंकि उसको वोट चाहिए, उसको लेडी का मान सम्मान नहीं चाहिए.
All right, so that was, of course, BJP's Locket Chatterjee, ladies and gentlemen, who's been leading the protests at Durgapur, hitting out at Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over her remarks. My colleague Ridhita continues to be with us on the broadcast. Ridhita, Locket Chatterjee and the Bharatiya Janata Party now, of course, upping the ante against the Chief Minister for her remarks, questioning her as to why she has not ensured women's safety in the state. This is not the first time that such a case has happened. And, on top of that, making such advices to women and girls saying you shouldn't be going out at night. It's shocking to say the least, but get us more from this political war of words that has now erupted between the BJP and the TMC.
Right, like I was telling you that the girl had actually gone out around 8:35 at night along with her male friend to just have a dinner. At that time, only 3 guys had took back of them, and then they were turned towards this jungle which is around a kilometer away. And at that place when this torturous incident took place, whereas Mamata Banerjee is stating that the girl went out at 12:30, why should they be considered to be going out at 12:30 itself? But the question of matter out here is, when last time we had seen our horrific incident like this in South Calcutta, it was a government college. Mamata Banerjee did not play the ball out there. She did not question the timing of the college at that time. But now, as it is a private college, she's turning the ball, she's passing the ball onto the private colleges and stating that what kind of college is this that is actually allowing the girls to step out of the premises after a certain period of time. So now BJP has actually taken over this. At the point, the BJP's Locket Chatterjee, who was just here at this very hospital where the girl has been admitted and also was studying out here, pursuing her MBBS in the second year, she is now leading towards the Kalibari, where BJP is now going to hold a protest. They are going to take it to the roads, hold a protest in the middle of the roads, asking for justice in this case. Also to note in this incident, as I show you the gate, my camera person pans into, this is the emergency building gate where the girl is admitted, and you can see that it is locked. BJP leaders along with BJP's Locket Chatterjee were just sitting here because they were not allowed the entry to meet the victim and to speak to her. The question now arises, is the government trying to hide something? That is why the leaders of the oppositions are not being allowed to meet the victim and not speak to her. Also, as the Chief Minister herself raises concern and brings up questions about other states. She has questioned Orissa government and their protocols about the incident that had happened few days back. But then the question that BJP now puts forward to her, that she is not the Prime Minister but the Chief Minister, and she should look into the safety and security of women in her own state rather than commenting and judging on how other states should function.
Right. Ridhita, I'm going to come back to you. Let's play out for our viewers how the BJP has been slamming Mamata Banerjee over her insensitive remarks, accusing the girl herself. Listen in.
Today, under TMC's watch, nor Ma, nor Mati, nor Manush, nor Mahila is safe. Only the Balatkari is safe. And it has become Balatkari Bachao, Aparadhi Bachao. Once again, Mamata Banerjee's comments, most misogynistic, patriarchal comments, which do victim shaming, have come to the fore. Instead of standing in solidarity with the gang rape victim, which was a rerun of RG Kar, she is now siding, in a sense, with the vote bank and with the accused or with the Balatkaris by saying that the woman was wrong. But those who say ladki hu lad sakti hu, those who are outraging just yesterday about women's rights and women's issues, they are eloquently silent. Will they now outrage against Mamata's statement? No, they will not. Mamata Banerjee failed to protect the girl, and now she's blaming the victim, she's blaming the girl, and she has done this all the time.
The BJP, viewers, has been upping the ante against the government in the state, demanding strict action and questioning the Mamata Banerjee government over the failing law and order in West Bengal. In fact, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has also expressed shock over this incident, calling it despicable and painful. He called on the Chief Minister to ensure a fair probe and swift action, the strictest punishment on the perpetrators. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Manjhi, in fact, has strongly condemned this alleged rape of the medical student in Durgapur. Describing the incident as both painful and shocking, he's urged Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee to ensure strict action against the accused. The news of the alleged rape has also sparked a political storm within West Bengal.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তার পুলিশ কথায় কথায় প্রেস কনফারেন্স যারা করেন, সুপ্রতিম সরকার, জাভেদ আলী, জাভেদ শামীম, এরা কোথায়? এদের কেন দেখতে পাওয়া যাচ্ছে না? এক্ষেত্রে সাইলেন্ট কেন সরকার? ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি জানতে চায়, বিরোধী দলনেতা প্রশ্ন করতে চায় পশ্চিমবাংলার পুলিশ তথা মন্ত্রী তথা মুখ্যমন্ত্রীকে।
सबका माने क्या बोले कंट्रोल नहीं है। पश्चिम बंगाल में कोई भी लड़की को देखे उसके ऊपर उसको पकड़ के धर्षण कर लो। खाना लेने गई थी ये स्टूडेंट, खाना लेने गई थी, उसको गैंग रेप कर दिया। और अभी टीएमसी का नेता लोग बोल रहे सब होगा, ये बहुत शर्मिंदगी की बात है, हम लोग इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे। क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ है? 14.5 साल आप लोग क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन किए हैं? करोड़ों रुपया खर्चा करके आप लोग माँ दुर्गा, माँ काली, माँ जगद्धात्री का पूजा करते हैं टीएमसी लीडर्स, और असल में हम लोग जो माँ दुर्गा, माँ काली है बंगाल के, वहां हम लोग रोज धर्षित होते हैं।
BJP is a political party, and this crime, such crimes against women, they should not be politicized. Unfortunately, BJP always views such incidents through a political lens, which is most unwarranted. We have to wait for the investigation to be completed, and BJP should not politicize or try to take a political advantage out of this.